Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad Nigerian style. First, select a vibrant mix of fresh fruits. Common choices include juicy watermelon, sweet pineapple, crisp apples, and ripe bananas. You'll also need a creamy dressing, typically a blend of yogurt or condensed milk, sometimes with a touch of citrus. Make sure all your fruits are perfectly ripe to achieve the best taste and texture in your salad. Now, let's get to preparing the fruits. Begin by washing everything thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or residues. Next, carefully peel and core fruits such as pineapple and apples. Then, cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1-inch cubes. This ensures every spoonful offers a delightful mix of flavors and textures. The dressing is key to a delicious Nigerian fruit salad. In a separate bowl, combine about 1 cup of plain yogurt with 2 tablespoons of condensed milk for a rich, sweet base. For a refreshing zing, add a squeeze of fresh lime or orange juice. Once your dressing is ready, gently pour it over the prepared fruit in a large mixing bowl, ensuring everything is evenly coated. For the best experience, chill your fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a refreshing treat. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of shredded coconut or chopped nuts for extra texture and visual appeal. It's perfect for any occasion. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.